Aku betul tahu. Vai chamar qui.
Hallelujah. Zikomo kwambiri Praise Aroma. Ndikulandireni okondedwa mawa uno mwambo wa chipembedzo okondwerera kuti Malawi wakwanitsa zaka 60 tili pa ufulu odzilamulira. Let me welcome all of us to this service of worship as we commemorate national anthem. We may take our seats. Your Excellency, Dr. Lazarus McCarthy Chakwera, President of the Republic of Malawi, Your Excellency, Madame Monica Chakwera, First Lady of the Republic of Malawi, Your Honor, Dr. Michael Biswick Usi, Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, Your Lordship, Regine Robert Mzikamanda, ACC, Chief Justice of the Republic of Malawi, Honorable Harry Kandawire, Minister of Defense and Chairperson of the Ministerial Committee of the 60th Independence Anniversary National Service of Worship, all the members of the Ministerial Committee of the 60th Independence Anniversary National Service of Worship, all the Cabinet Ministers here present, Mr. James Tusiwa, Secretary for Defense and Chairperson of the Technical Committee of the 60th Independence Anniversary National Service of Worship, Reverend Brian Kamendo, Presidential Advisor on Religious Affairs, the officiating clergy, and all the religious leaders here present. Your Excellency, I just wanted you to appreciate the numbers of pastors who are here this morning. May I request all the pastors to stand wherever you are? Thank you so much. May God bless you. You may take your seat. Your Excellency, Dr. Nancy Sangweme, Ambassador of the Republic of Zimbabwe to the Republic of Malawi and Dean of the Diplomatic Corps. Your Excellencies, Head of Mission and International Organizations here present. Your Majesties, Ngwenyama Inkosi Yamakosi Mbira 5 and Ngwenyama Inkosi Yamakosi Gomani 5. Paramount Chiefs Rumbu, Kawinga, Kiyungu, Chikuramayembe and Kaduya and all the traditional leaders here present. Your Worship Councillor Esther Sagawa, Mayor of the City of Lilongwe, and all the councillors here present. Honorable Alfred Gia, Member of Parliament for Lilongwe City Centre constituency, and all members of Parliament here present. Distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, you are most welcome to today's service of worship as we commemorate the 60th Independence Anniversary. May God bless all of us as we participate in this service of worship. Your Excellency, in a very special way, let me welcome you and Your Excellency, Madame Monica Chakwera, to this service of worship. Your Excellency and all distinguished guests, the theme for our service of worship this year is United in Resilience, Moving Forward Together. In Chichewa, kuendela limodzi mochilimika, and in Tumbuka, wene na wene kuyamuntazi. Your Excellency, the prayers today are being conducted with two mixed feelings. On one hand, we are still in a shock to have this service of worship without the former Vice President, Right Honorable Dr. Saulos Klaus Chilima, and the 8 others who died in a plane crash in Chikangawa last month. Although the days of mourning that you, Your Excellency, declared are over, but we still have the memories of our beloved Vice President and 8 other Malawians. As if this was not enough, we also lost one of your advisors, Your Excellency, Honorable Lucius Banda, who was buried a few days ago. However, on the other hand, as a country, we have all the reasons to thank God, despite of the many heartbreaking situations that we have been going through. God has been so gracious to you, Your Excellency, and indeed all Malawians, that today we are commemorating the 60th independence anniversary. It is all by grace, and we can all say hallelujah. Your Excellency, before we go any further, let me take you through few items as we go into the liturgy of our service of worship today. In a moment, I will humbly request you, Your Excellency, and all of us to stand for a minute of silence in honor of the late Vice President, Right Honorable Dr. Saulos Klaus Chilima, and the 8 other Malawians who died on a plane crash, and also your advisor, Honorable Lucius Banda. While standing, there will be a prayer for the bereaved families and for the nation by Bishop Agape Mpama, Northern Region Overseer, Charismatic Redeemed International Ministries. After the prayer, while still standing, Your Excellency, we will sing a hymn number 59 in Chichewa. After the hymn, we will remain standing for the call to worship that will be led by Reverend Dr. Bire Gama, the chairperson, Malawi Council of Churches. Those who have got the program, both the hymn number 59 and Psalms 23 are found on the pages 7 and 8 respectively.